This is exercise 3, spaces and identity in GY 220. And let's open the instructions here. So are you supposed to take 25 photos, and you're supposed to put those in a presentation document, meaning a PowerPoint, a Prezi, or Word. So you can put those in a PowerPoint or Word, and you submit the Word document or PowerPoint attachment. So let's open up PowerPoint real quickly. Let's do a new slide, blank, and do insert pictures. I'll just put in some pictures here. Okay. New slide, do another one. Insert picture. And let's do another one. And let's do one more for good measure. There we go. So let's save this. And then we'll go back to our assignment. So I've got my PowerPoint. You can also do that in Word or Prezi. And I'm going to click Submit Assignment. And under File Upload, I'm going to choose File and upload my PowerPoint. So let's look for PowerPoint. That's it right there. And Submit Assignment. And it's been submitted. And to check that I've submitted it, all I have to do is go to my grades here and go to exercise 3. And it's been submitted. So that's how you're supposed to, in a nutshell, do the assignment, attach pictures to a PowerPoint or Word, save it, save the PowerPoint or Word document, and then submit it.